In today's video, I am going to teach you how to restore closed tabs on Microsoft Edge. If you've ever closed a tab by mistake, don't worry, Edge makes it quick to get back to what you were viewing. I'll walk you through 2 simple ways to restore tabs, and I'll share a few helpful notes so you know exactly what to expect as you go. First, the fastest method is with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus T. Make sure the Edge window is active when you do this. Click anywhere in the browser first. If you are not sure, the moment you press that shortcut, the last closed tab or even the last closed window reopens right where it left off. If you closed multiple tabs, just keep pressing the shortcut to bring them back in the reverse order you closed them. Think of it like an undo button for tabs, 1 press per tab, stepping backward through time. If nothing comes back, it usually means there aren't any tabs left to restore in the current session. Also keep in mind that in private browsing sessions generally don't reappear in history, so those may not show up to restore once the window is closed. Now let's look at the mouse-friendly way through the History menu. In the top right corner of Microsoft Edge, click the 3 horizontal dots. This is the Settings and More menu. From there, select History. In the History view, look for the section labeled Recently Closed. This area collects the tabs and entire windows you've closed. Group so you can quickly find what you need. Click Recently Closed to expand it if it isn't already open. You'll see items with page titles and sometimes groups that represent whole windows. To bring something back, simply click the closed item you want. If you select a single tab, that tab reopens. If you select a window group, Edge restores the full window with all the tabs that were inside it. This is especially handy if you ended a browsing session and want to resume exactly where you left off. That's all there is to it. Use the keyboard shortcut when you need a quick undo, or head to the History menu and Recently Closed when you prefer a visual list of what you've closed. With these 2 options, restoring closed tabs in Microsoft Edge is fast, reliable, and stress-free. Thanks for watching.